Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Travel Tech. So it's a new month and it's time for a new giveaway. So we saw in the previous giveaway that Danny won the first giveaway that was conducted on the Travel Tech channel for the year 2025. Huge congratulations to you, Danny. So each and every one of you, including Danny, now again stand a chance to win a dashcam every single month in 2025. That being said, I have been putting up a lot of videos in the previous month, that's the month of January, and many of you have been actively engaging on my videos, commenting on my videos. So here I have kind of got a list of all the people who have commented the most on each and every one of my videos in the previous month. Starting off the list with Mayank Dalal, who has subscribed to the Die Hard Fan membership level, the highest membership level of Travel Tech channel. A huge thanks to you, Mayank. That's been a great way of supporting my work. So based on the statistics for the previous month, I think Mayank Dalal has commented about 20 times overall in all of the videos. So that means you get about 60 chits of your name within this coupon box. So following Mayank, the next person who has commented the most is Unni Sarath. Thank you, Unni. Your support is greatly appreciated. So your name will also be going in within this lucky coupon box right here. So you too will stand a chance to win an amazing dash camera. So the next person who has commented the most following Unni have been Ram Patil and Srinivas. So these two people have been very active and have been constantly supporting my channel even before I started off the membership plan. So huge thanks to you. That's been a great way of supporting my work for subscribing to the membership. So even Ram Patil and Srinivas have commented close to 10 to 11 times. So even their names will be going in within this list. Following that, the next person who has been very actively commenting has to be Jasdeep Singh. A few of them may be AI generated comments, but nevertheless still comments. And of course, I like the unique way you have commented on each of my videos. I have been reading your comments and they have been very interesting. So Jasdeep has commented about 10 times in most of my videos. I've shortlisted the top 10 comments. So since Jasdeep is a ultra fan member, so the chit of your name will be put in about 20 times within this coupon box. So you stand double the chance of someone who has a super fan membership. That being said, the next member is Isaac Dio. So I haven't seen a lot of comments from him, but still, being a member, you already qualify for the giveaway. So even your name will be going inside this coupon box. And then following that, you have Tem Jamir, who has commented about 4 times. So since he is an ultra fan, his name or your name should be going in about 8 times within this lucky coupon box. Then following that, we have Amandeep Singh, who has commented about twice or thrice on all of my videos. So his name will also be going in about 6 times since he is an ultra fan member. Then we have Danny, the previous winner of the giveaway contest. So he has commented about 3 to 4 times. So since he is a super fan member, his name will be going in about 3 times within this lucky coupon box. Following that, we have Ali Khan, who has commented thrice. Following that, we have Samir, Jeffrey Rajan and Israda. Now these people haven't been very active in commenting, but since you're already a member of Travel Tech, your name will also be going in within this coupon box. So let's start off by writing off the names. So we've got quite a colorful bowl right here. So let's not waste any more of your time and just go ahead and pick one lucky winner out of all of these. So as always, I'll be picking up 2 chits and surprisingly both of them are in orange color this time. So which one should I choose, the right one or the left one? Let's go ahead with the right one. And the lucky winner for the month of February 2025 is, as you can see right here, it's Jasdeep Singh. Well, congratulations Jasdeep Singh, your comments have paid off and you've just won yourself a dash camera. So which one of the dash cam have you won just now? Well, one of the finest choices under the budget segment. So this is the Easy N700 dashcam and Jasdeep has just won this dashcam for himself. Super amazing. Congratulations to you. And to the rest of you who have not won in this giveaway, just do note that another giveaway is coming up pretty soon as we hit 20,000 subscribers. So I'm quite close to reaching that milestone and probably in a week or so we'll be reaching that. So of course another giveaway should be coming up as soon as we reach 20k. So rest of you still who are in this bowl will still stand a chance to win another camera, including Jasdeep, for the 20,000 milestone mark. So for now, Jasdeep Singh, this is your gift, and you're going to be getting this for all the hard work you've done for the past month, subscribing as a member of Travel Tech and even commenting on most of my videos. Congratulations to you, and all the best to the rest of the people for whom another giveaway is coming up pretty soon. And if you're someone who still hasn't subscribed to Travel Tech and want to win yourself a dashcam, go ahead, hit the subscribe button of my channel right now and also join in as a member of Travel Tech. You've got 3 different levels of membership: the super fan level, ultra fan and die hard fan level. The higher level you choose, the better the chance you have at winning yourself a super amazing gift every month in 2025. That being said, just get in touch with me on my Facebook or the Instagram page, and we can make sure that you receive your free giveaway gift. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next giveaway.